Welcome to Legally Everywhere, where we are what? Didn't I give y'all some succulent receipts? Didn't I? We're going to start to map a little bit more of this. I have a power and control wheel that I will do as a separate live. I additionally feel like I will go through the Project 25 and go through my Project 25 tracker, show some of the relationships between some of the things. We're going to map a few things. But I think this should be it for the night. I have had you all for less than an hour, but pretty close, and I respect your time. I appreciate you coming in to the Legally Everywhere channel. Know that you can find this content under our comparative law playlist, but eventually this will turn into its own playlist. Once I have at least about 5 videos, I will convert this into its own playlist. I will try to clip some of this. So once again, we have about at least 2 to 3 more videos specific to this content, and then I'll get to chopping up some things just so you can have those direct videos to pull from. And additionally, you will have a static version of the PowerPoint so that you can look through this material on your own. Once again, thank you so much for being with me this evening. I have had an absolute blast sharing with you all the things that I was able to find relevant to Project 25. I'm trying to figure out why that one slide was missing, but I will not worry about that. When you get the static version, you will have it at that time. But once again, it is my pleasure to be before you. I really appreciate that I have such an expansive audience of people all over the world. Like I said, I want to give a shout out to, if I can, will it let me? I just want to give a shout out to, where is it going to give me my audience? The United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, the Philippines, South Africa, India, Germany. There are more. I don't know why it's not showing me all of you all, because I know there are far more than this, but I have larger audiences in these particular areas. I just want to thank you all. I know that there are 13 countries that were listed. I don't know why they're not showing up. When I went to go look at my phone, I usually do it on my computer. It shows me everything. Thank you all so much for your support, following my content. I really hope that you find this video to be helpful. I found this to be very informative experience looking it up, and I look forward to continue to talk about the power dynamics, how leverage is being used, and what governance, because we got to get to these governance questions as well. But once again, we've been getting into these receipts.